Hey, what's up, divas? Welcome back to my channel. So this is the month of November 2021. We are one day away from Thanksgiving, and I have held on to my Allure beauty box and my Ipsy glam bag for several days now, and I have not done a video. So I have decided that what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on and I am going to unbox both of these. And let's see which one has the best products for this month. So before I get started, I do want to introduce myself to those of you who are new. I am Simply Carrie, and I do beauty unboxings each month. I do subscribe to both of these, and I enjoy seeing what's in them. It almost makes me feel like I'm getting a present every month sent from myself. I've really enjoyed Allure, and at times I have enjoyed Ipsy, but let's see how things go. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos coming up. And I'd like to hear from you, so let me know which one of these you feel turned out to have the best products in it for the month of November. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna open up a Ipsy first. Let's go with Ipsy. We'll do Ipsy first. Okay, so let's see. All right, now I have not seen this, so it's gonna be a nice little surprise for me, which is a surprise for me every month. Oh, I like this. This is a really nice pouch. All right, I really like the green felt kind of feel to the pouch. This is gorgeous. I love this. This is perfect for, let's say, Christmas time, especially if you're planning to give a gift, which I keep saying I'm going to give a gift and I kind of keep it all for myself. Shame on me, but that's what I do. All right, so I have a brush here. I can always use a brush. Let me go ahead and put my glasses on so that I can see. It's called the Subtle Shady Crease and Blend Brush. So I already have a blend brush, and I usually get brushes from Ipsy, which is great, so to add to my collection. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the brochure that lets me know what's in here, and there's usually a theme for the month. This is the November 2021 Your Throne Awaits. So this is more regal, royal kind of feel. Lather on ultra moisturizing formulas adorned with accessories and indulge in extra dessert, because this month it's all about you. Follow the hashtag Ipsy Royal Treatment Fun on IG at Ipsy. So Royal Treatment is what this month's theme is from Ipsy. This is what the bag looks like when it comes to me. So let's open up the first item. This is Good Glow Blush. So this is what it looks like. And this is the color. I'm not sure that I know that I really would like this color, but okay. So the next product is the Nomad Venice Simplin Express. What is this? It says velvety eyeshadow in foil shimmer, warm bronze shades, formulated with extra fine, pigmented, and infused with frankincense oil. Okay, so isn't this something, the frankincense, isn't that something that the three wise men bought as a gift to Jesus? So this has frankincense in it. And this is what it looks like. This is eyeshadow. All right, so, well, no, I'm not gonna put this. I was about to put this on my eyes just to kind of see, but I'm not gonna do it. All right, so, I like the shade, actually. It's not bad. Okay, so what are we gonna get next? Myrrh. All right, we got another little, please do not tell me there's another eyeshadow. Okay, so we got an eyeshadow, we got a blush. Look, this is a highlighter. Why am I even bothering to open it? I don't really even use highlighters. I'm getting a collection of these. Okay, the next one is the Verso Night Cream with Retinol 8. Okay, I can more than likely use this. There's nothing left. This is valued at $50. Well, it wouldn't surprise me if it is. I'm not impressed actually, okay? I'm just basically getting a collection of blush, highlighters, eyeshadows in the same shades that I always get. And I And this is probably the only thing from this bag that I could probably use in addition to maybe this brush. So I'm glad for the brush and the retinol cream, but everything else will go into a collection of blush, eyeshadow, and highlighters that I already have. And I do like the pouch, but you know, maybe I'll give these pouches away as a gift for Christmas. So let's move on to Allure and see what we have in store for us for November. This is how it looks. When you first open it, you've got these two pamphlets here, and here are all the products, and it looks like it's stashed with plenty of goods for this month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my God, 8 products this month. This is a lot. And this pamphlet is going to help me to figure out what everything is and where to buy it. And it also has product codes, so I will give those out as I go. So let's see, what's our first item? Okay, this is called Quick Stick. Okay, Quick Stick. What is this? Quick Stick by Tarte. So it's the Tarte Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner in Rose Gold, Luster, and Black. Okay, so this is $25 and it can be found at tartecosmetics.com. Waterproof shadow and liner. So it's a shadow and a liner. This looks pretty cool. Okay, so this is the liner part, and it looks like a color that I really would like. Oh, look at that, it goes on really nice. And it's supposed to be waterproof. I like that because I cannot stand the smudging, you know, as the day goes on with some of these liners. And this part would be the shadow. It looks like a shimmery kind of shadow. This looks really nice. Okay, so this is how it would look. I don't know if you can really see that. Okay. But this looks like an awesome item. The next thing is the Wander Beauty Upgraded Lash Treatment Mascara. This mascara is $26. We can find it at wonderbeauty.com, and we can enter Allure November 21 at checkout to receive 20% off your order, and it's valid November 15th, 2021 through January 15th, 2022. This is nice. I've got so much mascara, but I do like to, let's see. Okay, I can't really see. I don't have my mirror in the front of me. I don't even know why I'm putting a little on right now. I'm just gonna put it on one eye. Okay. What is this? Organic, water-free fermentation. Wamisa. This is Wamisa. We have here a toner. Okay. This toner, Wamisa Organic Flowers Toner Deep Rich. This is, the retail on this would be $43. You can buy it at uswamisa.com. Enter Allure Deep Rich at checkout to receive 20% off your order. Valid November 1st, 2021 through December 31st, 2021. I like this. This is another product that I definitely can use. Neogene Dermatology. This is the Neogene Dermatology Probiotics Youth Repair Cream. Whipped luxurious cream that coddles the skin. Okay, it has hyaluronic acid and nourishing ceramide to moisturize skin and give it a bouncy, slight lifted effect. The retail price on this is $48 for the full size. Obviously, this is a deluxe sample. Where to buy it at neogenlab.us. Enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase. of Probiotics Youth Repair Cream. It's valid November 1st, 2021 through January 1st, 2022. Okay, the next, oh, what is this? Simple Cleanser. Simply by Helena. Simple Cleanser. The milky texture, subtle lavender scent, and smoothing ingredients, chamomile water and goat's milk, work together to create a spa-like zen experience, a perfect beginning and end to every day. Massage a dime-sized amount across damp skin in circular motion to remove makeup, even mascara and skincare. I really do like the cleansers that are capable of removing makeup. They are such a help, and it kind of cuts out one of those steps in that night routine. The retail price on this is $29.95 for 4 ounces. You can buy this at simplybyhelena.com/pages/allure, and you can enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase of the 4-ounce Simply Cleanser, valid November 1st, 2021 to December 31st, 2021. The next item that we have in our box is Peely Annie Self-Care Night Recovery Oil. So it says there's nothing quite like waking up after using this face oil and realizing your skin feels much more hydrated than normal. The blend is stacked with moisturizing squalane and a mighty list of plant-derived extracts, including calendula and chamomile. Smooth it on as the last step in your nighttime routine, or use it alone for smoother, softer skin the next day. The retail price on this is $72. It can be bought at Piliani.com, and you can enter Allure 30 at checkout to receive 30% off your order. It's valid November 1st, 2021 through December 31st, 2021. And, ooh, okay, wait, we're not even done. All right, the next item is an eyelash cushion curler. Wow, we got some major stuff in here, in my opinion. This is a lot. The eyelash curler. You don't need a surgeon's steady hand to get lifted, curled lashes. The gentle arch and cushion pad of the tool makes it easy to use. No accidental pinching. Here, the handle rests comfortably on your cheek to make curling a breeze. It's $15. It can be found at ico.com, and you can enter Allure at checkout to receive 20% off your order. It's valid November 1st, 2021 through December 31st, 2021. I want to open this and check it out. I almost hate to, because it's like I keep thinking in terms of give a gift, but no me, I want this. This would have been a really good bag to give. Okay, wait a minute. It has, why is one of these out? Do I have to put this in myself? I feel like I do. How do I do that? Why is this out? And how do I stick it back on? I don't know. I can't get this on. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Okay, so this was not on, and I feel like it needs to, maybe it doesn't. Oh, maybe it goes down here and this is a replacement piece. Okay, so I guess, once again, I do not have my mirror, but Okay, I can't see. I have no idea what this looks like. Why didn't I bring my mirror out here? Okay, I can't see what it looks like, but this is really cool. I like this. Okay, so this is the Stubborn Blackhead Daily Serum. All right, it has 10% glycolic, mandelic, and polyhydroxy acid. That concludes everything from my box. What did I think of everything in general? Well, I got about 6 products from my Ipsy glam bag. I really did like the bag. I liked the moisturizer. Was that a moisturizer? Yeah. I like the retinol moisturizer. I can see myself using that. I do like the idea of having a collection of brushes. However, I was not too satisfied with the fact that I got highlighter and eyeshadow and blush. Okay, now granted, I probably do not use my Ipsy glam bag to its full potential. I think I can actually go online and probably pick certain items for myself, which I never do. I never even think about it, to tell you the truth. My bag just shows up. In that regard, I really don't want to bash Ipsy too bad because it's only $12 for this. And you know, every so often you get some pretty cool stuff. So, I mean, where can you spend $12 and get a number of different items for that price? So in that regard, I say, okay, I just have not gotten rid of my Ipsy simply because it's only $12. Where are you gonna spend $12 and get this? That's what I have to say about Ipsy. Now, as far as Allure, I do spend a little bit more on Allure. I believe I spent about a good $25 on this box. And I mean, look at everything that I got this month. I got quite a bit of stuff. Overall, I really love the skincare that Allure picks out. So I'm gonna say that Allure is my favorite so far. I wanna hear from you guys. What did you think of the box and what did you think of the products? Do you use any of these products? If you do, what did you think of them? And I will be back again next month with more unboxings and unbaggings. So until then, I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.